Today I am going to show you how to create ASMR videos in Google Flow. So you'll need a Google Flow subscription. All you need to do is go to labs.google/fx/tools/flow. I'll put the link in the description and create a new project. So when you're in your new project, this is what your interface will look like. So this is the prompt box where you'll copy your prompt into, and then you have some settings to change down here. So we're going to make a short form video, and to do that, because we'll be using a prompt, we click on video, ingredients, 9:16, and I'm just going to generate one. Oh, let's generate two. And then so you can have unlimited credits, I always go by this light one here, but you see if I change it to a different one, it will tell you how many credits you use there. So there's fast, there's light, it's 10 credits, Omni Flash, 24 credits. So we'll stick with the 0 credits. And then all you want to do is paste your ASMR prompt into this prompt box here. Now you can buy ASMR prompts from PromptBase. I'll link one that I recommend down in the description, or you can get a prompt bank. You can find quite a few on School, or you can even Google ASMR prompts. So I'm just going to paste this one in here. So this is my prompt, and we will let that run. So that's how easy it is, guys. Let's look at this video. Sometimes you need to make a few generations to get one that you like, but I generally am happy with the first or second one. Now these prompts actually go really viral. I blew up a page to over 15K really fast on Instagram using these prompts, so I will link them in the description below. But as I said, you can find free prompts on Reddit or just by doing a Google search.